Hey everyone, it's Michael Camber here from Liberty Village, Toronto. So, you know that McDonald's over at King and Dufferin on the southwest corner? Well, it's going to be a condo. You may already know that, you may not, but I am here to tell you that it's going to be a condo, and we're actually really excited about it. It's called XO Condos. And we wanted to give you some more information about it. There's going to be plenty of more information on our blog post, but for now, I wanted to tell you this. So, XO Condos is going to be developed by Lifetime Developments. If you're familiar with them, you're also familiar with them from 5 Hannah, the Liberty Market building in Liberty Village, and as well they're going to be doing Liberty Tower, the rental building that will be going up on East Liberty there. So, they're calling it a boutique building. It's going to be 14 stories, and it's going to be just shy of 300 units. They're saying 293 units. And it's scheduled to be finished in 2022, so we'll keep an eye on that. Sales will be starting soon, and prices and floor plans should be available as early as April 5th. If you want any more information about this in terms of floor plans, pricing, anything as far as information goes, just get in touch with us. You can follow us on YouTube. You can email us at info@libertyvillagetoronto.com. Michael Camber, Liberty Village, Toronto.